Hey guys, we're back again in live at 9:31, running a mini for Spencer's Luke Jedi, as seen there. I've got 14 spots here. Top 3 win spots in the main on this one. Paste my list of 14 in right there. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get a 5 or better. Didn't this time, got a 4, so I am rolling again. We got him that time with an 8. Good luck, guys, as we get down to business. Nate takes round 1. Josh 2. Jimmy round 3 with number 5. Jimmy round 4 with number 9. John round 5. Josh round 6 with number 10. Josh round 7 with number 3. And our winners are John, Ryan, and Jimmy. Congrats, fellas. Here's the verification code. DPSYQV. Excuse me. There, my voice went away on me. And we are done at 9:32, as shown here. One last time, there's our winners. Congrats, fellas. See you around. Peace.